Hello all, welcome to today's session. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce one of our resource persons today, a well-known name in management fraternity, Dr. Nidhi Pandey, researcher, teacher, trainer and author. Dr. Nidhi has expertise in areas like international HRM, group dynamics, organizational development, business communication, entrepreneurship development and business ethics. She has done her PhD in management. She has also done MBA in Human Resource Development with first rank in university. She has also done a certificate course in teaching of English. It is worth mentioning here that she has cleared the UGC NET exam twice. Dr. Nidhi comes with 18 years of teaching experience in which she was associated with 11 reputed educational institutions. Presently, she is an associate professor at Shri Balaji University, Pune. Prior to this, she was professor at Vishwa Vishwani Institute of Systems and Management, Hyderabad for more than 6 years. She was also associated with various other institutions like Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vidyalaya Bhopal, PDIMTR Nagpur, Indian Institute of Pharmaceutical Marketing, Lucknow, Bhilai Institute of Technology, New Delhi Institute of Management, Rai University for decent 10 years and has handled various roles in teaching and administration. She has also contributed to the Government Engineering College, Sultanpur as visiting faculty. She is a consultant at JSR Innovative Private Limited, Pune from last 3 years. Dr. Nidhi has published research papers in 9 international and 12 national journals. She has presented her research work in almost 20 conferences. She has also authored 3 books on various areas in management. She has chaired an international conference at VVISM Hyderabad. She is an editorial board member for International Journal for Commerce and Management Studies. She has also been a resource person for IGNOU, APS University Rewa, Department of Business Management Nagpur, Amity School of Distance Learning, and many more. Dr. Nidhi has been on the forefront in undertaking CSR activities for orphanages in Nagpur. She has mentored many students for various competitions. She has also trained a batch of 7 students for Services Selection Board. Dr. Nidhi is married to Wing Commander Bipin Kumar Pandey and is a proud mother of 2 children. We are truly privileged to have Dr. Nidhi Pandey with us today. I appeal to all these participants to make the best use of this session. Thank you.